Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy today. So when you have a question like this, a limit as x approaches negative infinity, you have x squared plus 4x minus 2x all over 2x. This is how you approach it. Limit as x approaches infinity. And inside the square root, we'll say x squared, then 1 plus 4 over x, right? And then minus 2x. Minus 2x, right? All over 2x. That's how you approach it. Then after that, we'll get the square root of x squared. Give us what? Because this is all inside the square root. It gives us the limit as x approaches infinity. This gives us the absolute value of x. Absolute value of x, square root of 1 plus 4 over x minus 2x all over 2x. So when we have it like this, then after that, because now we've removed this square root of x squared, we separated it, then we remove the square root of what? Of x squared. Right, after doing that, because when you multiply back, x squared times 1 gives you 1. When you multiply x squared times 1, it gives you x squared. When you multiply x squared plus 4 over x, it gives you what? It gives you, we just factored out, right? Factored out that x squared. We get 4 over x. Okay, then, so when you multiply x squared with 4 over x, we get 4x. Right, after when we are here, we have the limit as x approaches infinity. Then this gives us the absolute value of x, and then square root of 1 plus 4 over x minus 2x all over 2. Then the absolute value of x gives us, we're going to have the limit as x approaches infinity. It's going to be negative x, gives us the negative x, negative value of x. Then we have the square root of 1 plus 4 over x minus 2x, right, all over 2x. After that, when we have it like this, then we're going to have again the limit as x approaches infinity. Then we're going to factor out negative x on the top part. So the limit as x approaches infinity, it's going to be negative x. Then inside the brackets, we're going to have the square root. We're going to have the square root inside the bracket of 1 plus 4 over x. 1 plus 4 over x, right? Then after that, we're going to have plus 2. Because when you multiply this by this, we get this. Then when you multiply by 2, we get plus 2 all over 2x, because we still have the 2x underneath. Okay, then after this, when we are done with this part, we can have again the limit as x approaches. Okay, this x and this x will cancel underneath. This x and this x will cancel. Then we'll have the limit as x approaches infinity as negative of root of 1 plus 4 over x plus 2. Right, all over. Hey. All over. This thing is all over 2. Because the 2, then we substitute our infinity sign. When we substitute our infinity, we're going to have equals to 4 over infinity gives us 0. The square root of 1 is 1. So it's going to be minus 1. Negative outside 1 plus 2 all over 2, which is equals to negative 3 over 2. So this is how you deal with solving the limits as x approaches infinity if you have a square root. This is how you simplify it. Your answer is -3/2. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning content.